report on the Pahalgam terrorist attack. The investigation report has found evidence of a conspiracy by Pakistani terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Taiba, ISI and Pak Army. An investigation revealed that terrorists had hidden weapons in Betab Valley. Let's in fact break down the details. This is the preliminary investigation report, which also talks about the role of the overground workers. So preliminary report prepared by the NI, and these are the perpetrators that have been mentioned in the Pahalgam attack. Pahalgam terrorists are the perpetrators. Apart from that, the NI report also talks about the role of the Pakistani ISI. So proof is out. The question is, will there be punishment next? It's a preliminary investigation report on the Pahalgam terrorist attack. And this report has found evidence of a conspiracy by a Pakistani terrorist organization. So scoop number one, evidence against ISI, the involvement of ISI and Pak Army. So deep state was involved. Scoop number two, overground workers aided Pahalgam monsters. So role of overground workers also nailed in this report, preliminary investigation report of the NI. Scoop number three, terrorists in touch with POK handlers that were operating from Pak-occupied Kashmir. The terrorists were in touch with them. Scoop number four, NI has found proof of the involvement of terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Taiba. So these are the inside details of what the NIA preliminary investigation report reveals. It exposes the role of the deep state. Now this is what we are picking up. Terrorists hid arms in Betab Valley. You know, what does this tell you? This tells you that a recce was done off the place. It also tells you that they came fully prepared and of course got all the help and logistical support from the overground workers. They hid the arms in Betab Valley. Let me in fact go across to Priyank, my colleague, who's getting us more details on the same. NI has nailed the role of the deep state of Pakistan. The ISI, the army, along with the terrorist overground workers named as well. The fact that they hid the arms in Betab Valley gives you a sense of how they knew the area, perhaps by doing a recce on their own or through the overground workers. A well-planned attack that was aided by the Pakistani army, the handlers in POK, ISI involved as well.
Yes, that is Swati, and that is what the investigation is going forward on. Because what we have already sensed after, getting this information that what is the next course of action for the National Investigating Agency is to bring out further detail regarding the involvement of the Pakistani's handler. We know that Musa was a Pakistani national. He was trained there and he was also given the task to train other terrorists. We are at this Pahalgam's Bison Valley Road. This is a road which goes towards Bison, where what we have seen just a short while back, that two of the officials from the National Investigation Agency have once again gone to the Bison Valley. That is the location, Swati, where exactly 10 days back there was a Grashri attack which happened. And exactly around 2:30, according to the FIR which has been mentioned by the local police, the attackers came and they started opening fire on the individual. Yesterday we saw that the DG of NIA was here. Now he has been camping in the Srinagar, consulting other senior officials and other state machinery officials who have been providing further on-ground detail to the National Investigation Agency. On the other side, once again, at this moment, the NIA officials are back there on the Bison meadow. Now, the role of a suspected terrorist was quite clearly seen. FTs were there and the local terrorists were also assisting them. But there's new pattern which has emerged in this particular case where the officials are trying to break down the chain, because what we were suspecting after getting information from the officials that the ops is still on these hilly terrain, but the officials have certainly tried to break the supply chain of food for these terrorists, because they generally come along with 3 to 4.
Priyank, stay on with us. We are in fact getting some breaking news. Let's share the details with our viewers. There's a mega operation that is underway in Kashmir. Operation Dismantle Terror continues in the valley. A mega crackdown, in fact, on the terror associates. 90 terror associates have been booked in Kashmir Valley under UAPA. This is the biggest operation that has been launched by our forces against terror networks and their handlers. And security forces are going all out against the terror sympathizers. 3,000, Operation 3,000 terror sympathizers grilled by NIA. Jammu and Kashmir police, mostly from South Kashmir, is what we are given to understand. So these terror associates, some of them have been booked under UAPA. Apart from that, the other terror associates are being questioned. And in fact, look at the number, 3,000 terror supporters, sympathizers have been identified who are being grilled by NI, Jammu Kashmir police, mostly from South Kashmir. DG NI convened a high-level meeting with top officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police, army and other agencies at Gupkar today. The 45-minute meeting focused on Pahalgam attack and deliberated on new strategies to combat militancy in the region. So DG NI and top officials have discussed ways to enhance security measures and prevent such incidents in future. Let me in fact go across to Tetri, joining us in the broadcast with more details. A massive operation. 90 terror associates have been booked under UAPA. 3,000 terror sympathizers have been identified and are being grilled not just by the NI but by the Jammu Kashmir police as well. So the forces, including the Jammu Kashmir police, going all out against terrorists, the terrorist presence of terror associates as well in the valley.
Well, absolutely. Remember that major crackdown is underway in Jammu and Kashmir. Back-to-back meetings are being held. In fact, remember that the NIA team is already on ground there in Pahalgam, visiting the site where the terror attack took place that killed 26 innocent lives. And in fact, what we are picking up to the latest is now that number of terror associates have been grilled, and in fact not just that but 90 have already been arrested, and the number could also go up as the investigation will continue, because remember that a high level meeting was convened today in between DG NIA and also along with who chaired the and also along with the Jammu Kashmir police officials as well. Other senior authorities were also present in this particular meeting. A proper plan was chalked out so as to how the further investigation will be carried out, so as to carry out this entire investigation. So more important to know is that that 90 terrorist associates have been arrested, and in fact not just that but we have also been seeing that how since in the past week after this Pahalgam terror attack, in fact that the houses of the terrorist associates or the terrorists or the individuals who are associated with these terror outfits, or in fact the terrorists themselves, though their houses, how they were blasted, and in fact we saw that how their houses were razed off, and in fact not just that but also that's why these all meetings are being carried out so as to chalk out the...
So Tetri, action is being taken against terror sympathizers. At the same time, there are high-level meetings taking place. Breaking news coming in.